Legal actions taken against Bollywood actors. Let's first talk about Bollywood star Bhaijan Salman Bhai. First instance came in 1998 when Salman Khan was on wrong side of the law while poaching black buck. Let's talk about the first case, the black buck case Kankani. While shooting Hum Saath Saath Hai along with Salman, all these stars were accused of poaching two black bucks in Kankani village in October 1998. Salman was accused of poaching two black bucks in October 1998 when he was shooting for the movie. The trial court convicted Salman under Section 51 of Wildlife Protection Act and freed the other accused film stars, which included Saif Ali Khan, Tabu, Sonali Bendre and Neelam. He was in police custody between October 12 to October 16, 1998 and was sentenced to 5 years of imprisonment. He was finally convicted on April 5, 2018. Let's jump to the second case, that is the Black Buck case in Mathania. Multiple cases were filed on Salman Khan in 1998. He was accused of poaching one black buck in Mathania. Salman was convicted under Section 51 of the Wildlife Protection Act. The maximum punishment under the Section 51 is 7 years of jail. He spent some time in jail for the case from April 10 to April 13 and between August 26 to August 30, 2007. The Rajasthan High Court acquitted him on July 25, 2016, and the challenge is pending in the Supreme Court. Now let's move on to the third case, that is Shankara case. Two separate cases were registered in 1998 against Salman under Section 51 of the Wildlife Protection Act after he allegedly poached 3 Chankaras. The trial court had sentenced him to 1 year imprisonment and was finally acquitted on July 25, 2016. However, the Rajasthan government challenged Salman's acquittal in the Supreme Court. Now let's move on to the fourth case that was under Arms Act. In October 1998, police filed a case against Salman for allegedly possessing and using a .22 rifle and a .32 revolver to kill 2 black bucks. Salman was accused under Section 325 and 327 of the Arms Act. The maximum punishment is 7 years in jail. Actor Salman Khan was acquitted in the 1998 Arms Act case by the Court of the Chief Judicial Magistrate of Jodhpur District. The Bollywood actor was accused of possessing and using firearms with an expired license. He was acquitted in the case on January 18, 2017. Now let's move on to the fifth case, that was Valmiki community filed FIR against Salman Khan for using derogatory remarks. While promoting Tiger Zinda Hai, Salman Khan found himself in trouble for reportedly using derogatory remarks against the Valmiki community on the sets of a reality show. FIRs were filed against in as many as 6 states. Salman moved to Supreme Court for quashing his complaints, hence the court had ordered a stay on all cases filed against the actor. Now let's move on to the most talked case, the hit and run case. On 28 September 2002, Salman Khan's white Toyota Land Cruiser crashed into the pavement, which killed 1 person and injuring 4 others. Salman was accused under provisions the first IPC Section 304, culpable homicide not amounting to murder, Section 304A, rash and negligent driving, which has a punishment up till 2 years, Section 279, rash driving, Section 134, abatement of assault, Section 337 and 338, causing grievous hurt by endangering life or personal safety, Section 427, mischief. 2. Bombay Prohibition Act, driving after liquor consumption. The actor appealed against the conviction of the Session Court in the Bombay High Court. Accordingly, Justice Joshi held that on the basis of the evidence produced by the prosecution, the appellant cannot be convicted no matter how differently the common man thinks. Hence, Salman Khan was acquitted by Bombay High Court, which appeal is pending before Supreme Court. Now, let's move on to the second actor we're going to talk about, that is criminal charges against Sanjay Baba. Sanjay Dutt was involved in the 1993 Mumbai serial blast case. After being arrested from the airport in 1994, the actor had confessed that Mafia Don Abu Salim and underworld Don Dawood Ibrahim had visited his home in January 1993. Sanjay Dutt had said that they had brought 3 AK-56 rifles with ammunition, and he had kept one of them for family protection. He was arrested and charged under the stringent Terrorist and Disruptive Acts, and that is also known as TADA, for conspiracy in the blast and receiving weapons from Abu Salim. Now let's talk about the charges on Sanju and whether he was found guilty or not. Criminal conspiracy, not guilty, as conspiracy not established. Section 3 of TADA, not guilty as intention of aiding and abetting terrorism, not established. Section 5 of TADA Act, not guilty as prima facie the possession has direct nexus with terrorist activities, not established. Section 6 of TADA Act, not guilty as possession of arms and ammunition with intent to aid terrorists, not established. Section 3 and 7 read with sections 25(1)(a) and 1(b) of Arms Act, found guilty. The TADA court acquitted him of all charges after making an observation that he was not a terrorist and had acquired the guns for self-defense. He was convicted under the Arms Act and sentenced to 6 years in jail, and his term was then further cut short to 5 years by the